Prince Eric. And where's the Sea King? Alex, you are the Sea King. Very good. Ariel, where are you going? Hi, Eric. You have to save Eric, Ariel. He's drowning in the water. You drown in the water, Eric. Drown. Oh, save me. Go like that. Okay, Ariel, go and save him. And the Sea King, too. Ariel is swimming. The Sea King can walk on the water.
With Mommy.
Mommy's coming.
Hey, look. Carter has no head.
Quick, save Eric. Quick, Eric. Nora, go and save him.